Hello. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through the process of downloading and installing the GhanaPostGPS app on an Android device. This is my Samsung Tab 4. So first of all, you should be very sure you have internet connection. Then you go to the Google Play Store. That is your first step. You go to the Google Play Store, then you type in GhanaPostGPS. In fact, if you've used it before, or as you start typing, the Play Store algorithm will bring up GhanaPostGPS as a first option for you as you start typing. So you click on it. Then you're ready to install the GhanaPostGPS app. So we presume it's ready to be installed. Here, Google Play Store is asking you whether you will allow the GhanaPostGPS to access your location. 1. Use SMS, photos, media, and files of your device ID, and call information. These are security information. So if you don't want the app to access all these information, then you can use the app. So you either accept or decline. We accept these facts. Then our app is downloading. That is the first step. When it is downloaded, we'll make sure we install it successfully. Then we'll go into the app interface. So we are looking at 10.68 megabyte of space. First of all, you should be very sure you have space on your device, otherwise it will not install. So if you're finding problems installing, then you probably need an SD card or you need more space on your device. So now it's downloaded already, it is installing. Then we can open the app. Very well. So this is how the GhanaPostGPS app looks like on the face value, on the face of the pin sheet. Yes, of course, with Dr. Baumia. He is one of the collaborators of this app. So it's asking for your first name. So first name, let's type in there. Our first name is Nana. Last name, Nana J. Okay, so enter your mobile number. That is your best phone number you'd want to use your app with. So if the device you're using has a SIM or the same number, you can input that number in there, or any other number you can receive the verification code on. So we are typing in a number we want to use, because they will send a verification code onto that number. Then we would put it into the app in order for the app to generate the digital address. Yeah, very well. So this is the first part of this video. The second part, we will do the verification successfully. So we click on continue. Yes, so we are waiting for confirmation SMS. Then we will input that code that we will receive. Okay, so you can hear that is the code being sent to that phone, of which number I inputted there. So in the second video, we will input the number there, then we will continue with this process. That is when we will verify the number, then use the number successfully. Thank you as we wait for the confirmation SMS. It's already in. Thank you very much.